You will pay for everything you've done. Don't you dare! You damn fool!
Hey, I can see you. Release me from this cell. Press the button on the terminal to overcharge the system. Come on! Now stop it! Great, thank you, friend. Now we can strike back together.
I will get you. There is no place where you can run from me. What is this? Trying to kill me like her? My friends will get you.
Hey, my friend, mind stopping this thing? Hurry up, please, or the view won't be the most pleasant. Just in time. Many thanks, my friend. I guess we should go. On me.
Hey, keep quiet. I'm trying to catch that guy. Another bad version of one of our friends. He can pop up anytime now. Just have some patience.
And you, I will deal with you later. Be sure.
Get out of here, go!
Hey, over here. Get me out of here, will you? There are no levers or anything. Just punch through the door. Come on. Great. Keep doing whatever you are doing. Thanks for releasing me. Now we need to move, friend.
Pull this thing up. I can't hold it for much longer. Glad to meet you. Guess it's time to move. Follow me, friend.
Come on, don't keep me waiting. Great job, mate. I knew I could count on you. Oops, guess we should leave. Right now. On me, I know where the exit is.
Hey, I am kind of trapped here. Mind giving me a hand? You need to lower the elevator so I can escape. That's it. Great job, mate. get out of here before something bad comes. Follow me. You don't leave me here. Turn this thing off. He trapped me here. That monster. Let's get moving. Come on. We don't have much time.
You must release me! Come on, keep doing it! Yeah, that's how you do it. The terminal, use it to release me. Hurry up! Thanks, buddy. Let's get moving, shall we?
Hey, over here. Stop this thing, please. Pull the lever, man. Come on. Thank you. That was close. Without you, I'd be dead. Let's get the hell out.
Your time has come.
No! You can't do this to me!
The Master will get you.
Help. Please. I can't take this anymore. This elevator leads to the Foundation, but I was too big to fit. Why don't you try it? Good luck, friend, and thank you.
Have you come to save your friend? Wasn't you the one who turned her into this? Who turned everyone?
Go on, try it.
Looks like the reunion wasn't as pleasant as you expected.